Welcome to one of our IMI training videos designed to help you get the most out of your system. Today, we're going to go over setting up an extended schedule on the original Kantech EntraPass Web client software. Let's start by opening our EntraPass Web client software. Enter in your username and password and select Login. At this point, we're going to hover over Configuration, go down and click on Schedule. Then we're going to select our site. You'll also notice on the left-hand side that there are a series of schedules you've already created. You can edit those or add new. In this particular case, we're going to change an established schedule that we already set up. Let's select the schedule we want. From this view, you'll notice that we already have a variety of intervals assigned to this schedule. In this case, we're going to edit those. You'll notice on the right hand side you have that scroll bar. You can move that up and down to look at your intervals. Now you also notice that you can change your naming of your schedule if you want to. You can add an interval, you can remove an interval, and that checkbox right there, we're going to leave that alone. We're pretty much going to leave that checked off all the time. We're going to scroll down though, click on the lower interval. We're going to remove that interval and then add in a new interval. Although we're only adding one interval at this time, if you know you're adding 3 intervals, just hit the button 3 times and then set their times. If you double click on that field there, we're going to change that time. Now that's going to be military time. So that's why we put in 1400, and in this field, we're going to put in 1700. And then we're going to hit the single dot button. That's going to give us the 5 days of the week. You'll notice the double dot will give you all 7 days, and the triple dot will select the 7 days and all of the holidays. For this effort, we're just going to do the 5 days a week. Click Save, and then you can go back and review your schedule. If everything looks good, then you're done, and everything's complete. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you can have a maximum of 20 intervals in a schedule. Thank you again, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. However, for additional help, don't hesitate to reach out to your local intelligent marketing rep or find your rep at www.inmarketing.com. IMI, where technology meets the market.